Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. We're moving on to the next topic. Lyft has raised rates on their app. What do you think about that, Izzy?
Not surprised.
So Lyft has hiked service fees for passengers. They're making it more expensive. Lyft hikes service fee for rides as insurance costs rise.
What is that? What does Lyft?
Oh wait, hold on. I gotta do it.
What does that have to do with?
What?
Why are they related?
Who?
Like Lyft and insurance costs.
Because I think it's because Lyft.
Like auto insurance?
Like Lyft has insurance on every ride.
Oh, yeah.
So they
okay.
have to pay insurance companies to like cover the rides, and I guess their price has gone up for that. So do you want to read this?
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. So Lyft is increasing the service fee its U.S. riders pay directly to the company to cover higher insurance costs. Wow. I don't know. To me, that sounds pretty selfish. I don't know. I'm not a fan of it. Like, I don't know. Like, that's Lyft's problem. Like, why do we have to cover their insurance costs? Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I think they don't want to pay for anything. So they make the passenger pay for everything.
Yeah, but aren't they like $1 billion company? Or I know Uber is. I don't know about Lyft.
Lyft stock. Oh, did it go up? Oh, it went up to 13 bucks.
Oh yeah, wasn't it at 11 the other day?
So Lyft's market cap is $4.7 billion. Okay, you want to keep reading?
Yeah, but it doesn't show anything else on the screen.
What? You can't
Like,
read.
can you scroll down?
Oh. It's because I gotta switch the screen I'm sharing for you because I opened up a new tab or a new window. There we go. Can you read that now?
Yeah. Okay, so the increase averages less than 50 cents per trip nationally, a Lyft spokesperson said. The company pays for drivers' insurance when they are working on its platform. Lyft is facing insurance inflation pressures and we've nominally increased service fees to help offset these costs. Oh, wow. Yeah, so the new data from Yipit Data showed Lyft increased its published service fee for rides in virtually all U.S. markets in the first week of October, including around 150 markets except for New York. I'm guessing they meant except for New York. So the service fee went up by an average of about 60 cents, implying a 3% increase in the cost of an average ride and an 18% increase in the service fee. So that's not as much as I thought. Like, that's not that bad.
So an extra 60 cents per ride.
Yeah, like, that's not something I feel like I would notice. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
As a rider.
Yeah, that's true. For like a $20 ride, it goes up to $20.60.
Yeah.
And it's already like rides, I feel like already fluctuate by a few bucks anyway, so it's like whatever.
Yeah, exactly.
So one of our commenters said, "Do you guys have a call line for this live?" We do.
Oh my God, that'd be kind of fun.
Well, I mean, it would be fun, but the thing is, like, imagine we call them in and they start saying something crazy, and then it gets
Oh,
us like demonetized or whatever.
true.
And it's
Yeah,
live. It's literally live. We can't edit it
we
until.
have trust issues, so
But if you do comment like your question or your story, we will read it out loud.
yeah.
Oh yeah, look at this. For Lyft, if they charge Pastor $39, he gets paid $13.
Yeah, I don't understand. Is there like what percentage of the cost of the ride do drivers get? Is there like a specific percent?
The Uber CEO says it's around 30%.
Oh, it's not the same for every ride?
Some rides it's 50%, some rides it's 10, some rides 80, whatever.
Why is it like different?
I don't know.
To see a doctor.
But the Uber CEO like did talk about it in an interview, which I'm gonna show in a second here. But yeah, like I don't know. I guess they pay per mile and per minute. So like, I guess because the insurance he said it's like insurance costs. I don't know. Let's listen to him.
Guest today needs no insurance. Got it. So, like you said, right, gas and these other inflationary expenses are sort of beyond Uber's control. You can do as much as you can. I mean, I guess the sort of final thing that I want to chat about on the expense side of things is the one expense that I guess Uber can control and related to a driver is the commission that they take on every ride. Uber launched this new statement that I actually like, where I don't think it's quite rolled out yet, but at the end of the week and the end of the month, you can sort of see very clearly how much Uber is now taking, out of all of your pay. So I think it's becoming more transparent. But if you ask individual drivers, this is another probably top question or top complaint really is that, they'll say, oh, Uber takes 40, 50, 60% of.
Here we go, guys. Listen up. What do you think, by the way? What do you think Uber should take? 20% maybe?
Yeah, or like 30.
No more than 30, right?
Yeah.
Maybe 20, maybe 15%. I would say 15% is more like, or I would say maybe 18%. What do you think? 20 or 30?
I mean, yeah, I was gonna say like 30.
That's a lot of money though.
Yeah, but it's like, they still want to be a profitable business.
That's true. That's true.
Of every single fare, because there are rides, right, where the commission is higher and some where it's lower. But I mean, I guess to you, like, what's a fair commission, right? This is, a lot of retailers don't like paying the 30% to Apple, right, Amazon and others. But I guess to you, like, what's a fair commission? What would you tell drivers who are complaining about the commission that Uber takes?
Here we go, guys. Uber CEO. I mean, this is a good question, by the way. So Izzy, this is the Rideshare Guy. So now you can say you've seen a Rideshare Guy video, right?
Oh, unfortunately. I mean, yeah, fortunately.
I feel like you have beef with this guy. You got
No, I'm just kidding. He has good videos. I mean, clearly, he has so many subscribers, so.
I feel like you've been throwing shade at this guy, and he ain't doing nothing wrong to you.
No, it's just jokes. He looks exactly like my friend's dad.
So
like they're literally like twins.
So you're saying the Rideshare Guy is giving you daddy vibes?
No. I didn't say that.
You literally said he looks like my friend's dad.
Yeah, they look the same.
Not daddy vibes, like dad vibes. Like dad, like... Okay, I hope he's not watching this because that would be really weird. But...
He just gives me Rideshare Guy vibes.
What kind of vibes do I? I'm a Rideshare Guy though. Oh, I'm a Rideshare
but, Yeah, you're not the guy. You're just the hub.
The hub. Not that kind of hub, guys, okay? The Rideshare hub. All right, let's continue.
So I think one issue to note as it relates to our commission and booking fee, et cetera, is we're also responsible for insurance costs, and insurance costs, unfortunately, are very, very high in the U.S. due to a number of factors. Mm-hmm. And that's something that kind of is, it's consistent.
But they're not even the ones paying for it. The riders are paying for it. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's Lyft.
It has unfortunately been increasing, even though the rate of incidents has been decreasing. The cost per incident for a variety of reasons has been increasing. So it's not a strict pass-through in any way, shape, or form. But when I look at our economics, post-insurance, again, it's
why is it so zoomed in on their faces?
Because I feel like that way, like, our faces are like... I feel like we're doing like a three-way call with him, right?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah, like I feel like he's like on the live stream right now.
Yeah.
Like, it's like, all right, so Uber CEO, it's your turn to talk. Let's hear you weigh in on Uber driver pay.
Direct pass-through, et cetera, but that's not how we price. You know, we think that something in the 20% range is fair. It's less than the 30% that Apple charges, et cetera. Yeah. And we think that's a general number.
So what do you say? He did say 30%, right?
That Apple charges, something in the 20% range is fair. It's
20%.
Less than the 30% that Apple charges, et cetera. Yeah. And we think that's a general number that is a fair number. What shows up as higher, but the major reason why it's higher to some extent is the cost of insurance that we have to bear as well. So I think that's something
very, very interesting. I don't know. Sounds a little shady to me.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're going to interrupt this program with a little shout out to a company that we wanted to tell you about, an opportunity for you all to make up to $100 extra per month by installing a tablet in your car. This is totally for free. We have a link below. Let me put our faces back down. We have a link below for you can sign up, and when you use our link, you will get a free tablet shipped to your doorstep, and you can put this inside of your car. And it lets passengers play games. It's totally free to get it, and you just start racking up points, and they start making money. You start making money. And passengers leave you more tips as well, because you got a cool tablet in your car, and you just make way more money with this in your car. And so many drivers are signing up with this now. Unfortunately, I don't have my tablet with me, but yeah, it's really awesome. Like, they're the best. So use our link below to sign up for Play Octopus to start making an extra $100 a month. And as long as you're an active driver, you can basically sign up. And they're almost in every single market in the whole country now. So you can basically get started, no matter where you are, which is really cool. So you think drivers should sign up for this, Izzy, and why?
Yeah, I mean, there's really no reason you shouldn't do it, because you're not giving anything up to get a tablet. Like, it doesn't cost money, so
yeah,
you might as well.
Yeah, and I honestly think it just increases the whole experience. Like, I set this up. You guys maybe have seen my vlog on YouTube talking about it. Like, I went out and drove for Lyft with the tablet in my car, and the passengers loved it. Like, I always got way more tips having Play Octopus in my car. Let's see. I did a little video tutorial at one point.
There's nothing.
And, oh gosh, I gotta watch 17 ads. But, and that's how you make money too, is they have little ads that play in between the games. So that way you can make money from it. And yeah, passengers loved it. They played the games. It's like a fun kind of conversation starter. So
this is just an easy way to strap it in together. And then you actually do need to, you know, you can actually come in from the front side of the Colt. Check.
yeah, that's how it works, guys.
What is the
and they play little
tablet
trivia
for?
games.
At least the rides I've done so far. And a lot of times I'll say like, oh, you know, I'm just trying to make extra money, whatever. And like,
And the cool thing is too, guys, is that passers think you like installed that yourself. I mean, you kind of did, but like, you know, you got it for free. But it's like passers think you went above and beyond to put this in your car. So they're like more appreciative and they leave you a bigger tip. That's kind of what I've found. It's like they see, oh, this driver really freaking cares. Like, you know, I better tip this guy. So again, check out the link below for Play Octopus. Their team is really, really cool. And yeah, they'll definitely help you start making more money as a driver.